Today we are just going to see that if you have a new laptop and you are installing Brew, which is a package manager for Mac systems, if you have installed that, it still is showing some kind of error, that something like this, which is like command not find. This is even after installing the Brew in your system. Additionally, gone to check, like if you see the official website, I've run this command, but it still is showing that is not available in the system. Why that is? So this is the another command that you can see that so even though the brew has been installed, but it's not added in the path, hence it's not able to find it. Now traditionally in earlier system you would have easily just added this path in the the home brew path in this path variable, and it would have find a bit similar for this, but I am specifically on M1 systems, which is the M1 chip that Apple has introduced. So for those systems there is slightly bit of difference that we have to do. So let's see, this is one good page, basically Mac install guide, which is explaining like how there is a little difference. So I will add this in the comment and or in the description, and we can see just to understand it well. What we will do now is just to add that variable in our path, save our jet profile file, so that if we do not save it, if we run just this, it will set in the current session, but it will not be available once you restart. So to do that we have to run these commands. So what we are going to do is, let's say I'm going to run this. So I run this command. Let's see with this command also. So now we have run these commands, and let's see. So now we can see that it started showing the brew version, and now the brew is available for you to use. Now with using brew, you can do any other, like you have to install NTM or anything. This will work perfectly, and it will basically handle the problem that this what we typically face. And this generally happens with most of the new installation, that if you are facing this, the high chances that if you have installed it successfully, there are chances that it's not showing in the path. Now we see path also, so it will be now showing our home brew installation as well. Right, now with this, it should be good to go. Thank you.